Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. We have done with LCM and HCF of given numbers. So today we will discuss about prime numbers and composite numbers. So what are prime and composite numbers? Let us study the numbers and their factors first of all. First of all, number is 1. The factor is only 1. For 2, there are only 2 factors, 1 and 2. For 3, there are 2 factors. Then when we find factors of 4, these are 1, 2 and 4. Similarly, for 5, there are 2 factors, 1 and 5. For 6, there are 4 factors, 1, 2, 3 and 6 and so on. Now when we find the factors of these numbers, you can see 1 is factor of every number as well as every number is factor of itself. हर नंबर अपने आप का भी फैक्टर है. Now select the numbers which have only 2 factors. See, 2 has only 2 factors, 3 has only 2 factors, 5 has only 2 factors, 7 has only 2 factors, 11 and 13 also have only 2 factors. Now come to the conclusion. A number that has exactly 2 distinct factors, distinct means different factors, 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. प्राइम नंबर कौन से होते हैं? वो नंबर्स जिनके सिर्फ 2 ही फैक्टर्स हों, एक तो 1 हो, एक वो नंबर खुद हो, वो नंबर्स क्या हैं? प्राइम नंबर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and so on are prime numbers. Now a number that has more than 2 factors is called a composite numbers. यानी कि जिनके 2 से ज़्यादा फैक्टर हैं वो क्या है? composite numbers. For example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 all are composite numbers. Now when you write factors of 1, it is only 1, so 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Now the smallest prime number is 2 and smallest composite number is 4. Now solve some questions of worksheet 7. Part 1 is 1 a prime number? You know 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So the answer is no. Now part B is write the smallest prime number. Smallest prime number कौन सा है? 2. Smallest composite number. When we start with 2, 2 is prime number, 3 is also prime number, then 4. 4 is composite number. तो 4 क्या हुआ? सबसे smallest composite number है. So 4. Now odd prime. odd prime means जो नंबर प्राइम भी है और odd भी है. So 2 is prime but even. 3 is odd number as well as prime number. So smallest odd prime is 3. Even composite number, it is 4. Similarly, find out the smallest odd composite number. Now question number 2 is which of the following are prime numbers? Check for 10. 2 is a factor of 10, so 2 is not a prime number because prime numbers वो होते हैं जिनके फैक्टर्स या तो 1 है या वो नंबर खुद है. लेकिन यहाँ पे 2 10 का फैक्टर है, 2 5 10 होता है, so 10 is not a prime number. Similarly 2 is a factor of 12, 2 is also not a prime number. 3 5 15, 3 is a factor of 15, so 3 is not a prime number. Now 17 के फैक्टर्स कौन कौन से हैं? 1 and 17 itself, यानी कि 17 किसी और के टेबल पे नहीं आता, तो 17 क्या है? प्राइम नंबर है. सिमिलरली 19 इज ऑल्सो अ प्राइम नंबर. नाउ 3 7s are 21, so 3 is not a prime number. 25 is not a prime number. 33 is not a prime number. 35 is not a prime number. Again 37 के 2 फैक्टर्स हैं ओनली, 1 and 37, so 37 is prime number. Now question number 4 is write all the prime numbers between 20 and 30. हमें 20 and 30 के बीच में प्राइम नंबर्स हैं वो लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 20 and 30 के बीच में टोटल नंबर्स कौन कौन से आते हैं? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. नाउ हम इन नंबर्स में से चूज़ करेंगे प्राइम नंबर्स कौन से हैं. 21 इज़ नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. 22 इज़ नॉट अ प्राइम नंबर. 23 प्राइम नंबर है. 24 इज़ नॉट प्राइम नंबर. 25 भी प्राइम नंबर नहीं है. नो 26 भी नहीं. 27 भी नहीं है. 28 भी नहीं है. 29 इज़ प्राइम नंबर. सो द प्राइम नंबर्स बिटवीन 20 and 30 आर 23 and 29. Now you can solve question number 3 and question number 5 yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.